Alright, we're at the Grand Superior Lodge in, I think, Two Harbors, Minnesota. Look at this, a Northern. Oh, cool. I don't see too many of these. This is awesome. Your COP, 2,500 pound capacity, EPCO WNR buttons, an 88 phone. It's a pretty basic cabin. I like it. This seems pretty nice. Ooh, a little classic leveling. Let's go to 2. I like the red. Let's press weirdly. Motor time. Not that bad. Interesting elevator. Oh, let's stay on. Interesting. Haven't seen these in the field before. They don't press like EPCO. I know they're EPCO. Let's go one more time. Let's see what comes out of here. That one comes out of the lantern. There we go. Yeah, I've really never seen a Northern in Minnesota before. I like these buttons. This runs really well, actually. Let's switch the leveling this time. Nice. Oh, wow. Installed 2000. You can twist it around, that's funny. Just have to go circle in that Northern used. And now we'll go back. Yeah, this is cool. Alright. Pretty cool elevator. There it goes. And